And so we're trekking from the land bridge, back up the hill, backwards down the path, leading into the mall, so that Cheese Doodle here could stop complaining about things. You're not complaining. If you listen to all the videos, her voice is obnoxiously screaming in the background. And so, our little journey for pretty water is taking us to a large man-made place that I'm pretty sure helps destroy this water. If you watched the end of the last video, you heard my rant, you heard my complaints.
Earlier, pollution in the city and people destroying our planet has taken over and changed a remarkably beautiful environment into a dumping ground for bullcrap for no good reason. But this is the world we're in now. This is how things have become. People just do not care anymore about our world. And they should. Things like this is beautiful. I would love to be able to take my children down here to play and have fun. But no, I'm afraid they might get some sort of infection from the nasty water. Or, I don't know. It smells horrible down here.
Well, let's go check out the industry that's destroying our world. Yeah, playing in your phone on a nature walk. Remember, y'all, stay hydrated. Look at her taking a selfie on camera.
Turn around.
Ooh. So, Cheese Doodle leads the way.
To the River Valley Mall. JC Penney.
Remember the Flash video? This is where we went to see it. That's where I recorded.
I thought it was Oppenheimer.
Oh, we saw Oppenheimer here. I saw Flash here.
There's no food around us where we're going.
No food.
There's Subway right there. Okay, right there.
It's not a... Let's try though.
Parking areas.
Tell them what we're doing.
Going to the mall.
We're gonna use the mall for air conditioning so that we can...
Look at stuff.
Look through stuff. See how dead it is in here, because she doesn't believe it's a dead zone. That's a good way to look at it, and it's a Monday, so...
So those silly things where we're gonna take advantage of the air conditioner because our car's on the other side of the mall.
Yep,
So
we're
if
gonna
we go
walk
straight
through the
through it-
mall to go to the other side, and we'll just walk down that road to the other, to Giant Eagle.
We'll see you inside. See if it's lively today. This movie theater's not really banging, but somebody's watching something.
If I do, I'm gonna be mad.
So if all this fails, I blame Cheese. We're gonna go in here hoping and trying to record, but we might get yelled at.
Check your thing off.
But it'll be okay.
Yeah.
See? Dead mall. They're telling us to go find a new door. Cheese? Movies. Enter through the dicks. No entrance here. No entrance there. Continue walking around the building, Cheese. Yay, she said we're having fun. What that sign says. PS. Like it used to be a mechanic shop. But now, storage area. You can't see. There's random crap in there. Die Hard. Bruce Willis, are you in there? Look. Another boarded up door. This is totally a fun, active, live mall, right? At Christmas time, I did see this door open, but you see what it is. This is the donation center where they store all the Christmassy stuff for Toys for Tots and other such things. This mall was rented out to the community. Inside, as you guys mostly seen, it's dead. Appointment only. But Cheese wants to go. Cheese. Look, maybe. Is this an open door?
Yeah.
Can we go in? Oh yeah, somebody just went in. It's open. Oh, it's hot in here. No, it's cool. There's people in here. And maybe they're not employees. Misfits drag strip. We already told you guys about that.
What is it? The bumper
There's
car?
actually people in here. That's crazy.
Huh?
Looking amazed.
This is a familiar side to me, guys. I used to come in on this side because they're all closed. It's the food court area.
Closed.
They
Closed.
just found pictures.
Hey, something's back open, but there's nobody here.
Oh, somebody got married in the mall.
Oh no.
This is the old food court, guys. As you can see, nothing is open in there.
Nothing. Put your ice cream shop here. Now open. Cash only. There's actually food places here. Knick-knacky thingies. Maybe he's trying to come back to life.
There is a pretzel place.
That's the only thing open. I said that.
Come on, Mila, let's get a pretzel.
So, the girls decided they wanted pretzels. It's the only place we could find, and I must admit, that looks pretty bomb. Pretzel dogs, pretzel sticks, cinnamon pretzels.
Okay, rest is for kids.
Random phone call distraction, so sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
They come in like a big cup.
But the dog was pretty good. Cheese done made him angry.